mechanic safety class. I still remain your coach, your teacher, and your friend, Dennis Oloriegbe. Today, we shall be looking at vehicle maintenance. I know that a lot of people will be traveling for this Christmas. So, how do you maintain your vehicle? When you maintain your vehicle, it will guarantee your safety. It will even help the environment. It will make you to avoid unnecessary breakdown on the road. So, vehicle maintenance is constant repair, constant servicing of our vehicle. We have two types of maintenance. We have what we call scheduled or planned maintenance, while we have unscheduled or unplanned maintenance. If you plan to maintain your vehicle, you will not have unplanned maintenance. Unplanned maintenance is sudden breakdown. Because when you don't maintain your vehicle and the vehicle breaks down, you now call a mechanic to come and maintain it. That becomes unplanned maintenance. Now, why do we maintain our vehicle? We maintain our vehicle to avoid embarrassment, to avoid risk, for our life to be saved. Because a vehicle that is not maintained can break down anywhere. It could be at the middle of the road, even right at the middle of the night. So, today, let us look at preventive maintenance. You see, preventive maintenance is achieved by physical observation. Always going around, checking your vehicle, listening to the noise coming from the vehicle, so that if there's anything, you will go and repair before it completely breaks down. But let me break it down for you. We have what we call daily inspection. Every day, as a driver, before you move that vehicle, you must do a preliminary of driving, check what we call daily routine. Check the oil, the engine oil, the brake oil, every other oil in your vehicle must be checked. Check your batteries, check the radiator coolants and water. Check everything to make sure the vehicle is in good order. Then, weekly, that's what we call weekly inspection. After doing all the daily inspection, then you check all the light bulbs. If they are weak or if they are burnt, you replace them. This should be done weekly. Then check your windshield, whether they are weak, and replace your wiper blade if they are completely down. This should be done every week. Then we have what we call monthly inspection. After checking everything, you now replace your engine oil. If your vehicle has traveled for 5,000 kilometers, it is time for you to change the oil. Get your vehicle serviced at the end of the month. The next one is a 6 monthly check, or what we call 6 monthly inspection. Carry out a full servicing every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers. If you have covered 10,000 kilometers, you must service that vehicle. Then, check your alignments, check your gear oil, grease all the ball joints and other parts, check your plugs, check your contact set, check all your hoses in the vehicle. This is done every 6 months. Then the last one is annual maintenance check. Annual maintenance check. What do I mean? You will carry out all the previously mentioned checks once in a year. Then you drain and clean your fuel tank once in a year. That is the end of the year. You must pull out your tank, drain it, and clean it up. This will be done by your mechanic. Then lastly, it is time to check your particulars, to check your papers. If they are due, you go and renew them. We are going to stop there today. That is how to maintain our vehicle. If you do all this, then you will spend less money going to the mechanics every day. So, we have come to the end of today's class, and our question for today is, what is unscheduled maintenance? What is unscheduled maintenance? Send your answers to my email, Dennis Oloriegbe at yahoo.com. And if you enjoy this class, please feel free, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. God bless you.